Dear students, in this video we are going to cover question number 4 and 6 of our topic percentage and its application. In this exercise we are going to study about profit and loss. Number 4 is Mary bought a television from her employer for rupees 16,000 and spent rupees 150 on its repairs. If she sells it to her friend at a profit of 15%, how much did she benefit by this? So benefit means profit, and the formula for profit is selling price minus cost price. Here let us see what has been given here. Cost price of television has been given here 16,000 and its repairing charge is known as overhead charge. It's rupees 150. So total cost price will be 16,000 plus 150. It is rupees 16,150. Now without finding the selling price, we cannot find the benefit. The benefit is SP minus CP. So formula for SP in the case of profit is this 100 plus profit percent upon 100 into CP. This is the formula. 100 plus 15 upon 100 into 16150. This time we have to use the cost price. This one will not use 16,000. So it is 115 upon 100 multiplied by 16150. This 00 is cancelled, and 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, and 5 3s are 15. So on multiplying 115 and 323, we get 37145 divided by 2. We get rupees 18572.50. Now benefit means profit equals to SP minus CP. SP is this one, 18572.50 minus 16,150. Sorry, it's not 50, it's 0. So here we have 50 and 2 and 2 and 4 and 2. Next we have question number 6. Aftab buys a dozen pens for rupees 54 and sells them at the rate of 6 for rupees 30. Find his loss or gain percent. So we'll write here cost price of 12. 12 means 1 dozen pens equals to rupees 54. Now we'll work on 1 pen. Cost price of 1 pen equal to 54 upon 12. 54 upon 12 gives you 4.5. So the cost of 1 pen is now rupees 4.5. Now selling is done at this rate. We'll write here SP of 6 pence equals to rupees 30, and so SP of 1 pen will be 30 upon 6, that is rupees 5. So what we have done, we have used the unitary method to find the same number of pens. Okay, so when we have same number of items, we can easily compare the values. Now since SP means selling price of 1 pen is more than CP of 1 pen, so it's profit case, or you can say gain case. Now the formula for gain is SP minus CP. SP is 5 rupees and CP is rupees 4.5. When we subtract rupees 4.5 from 5, we get 0.5 rupees. Now after that we have to find the loss or gain percent. So formula for gain, percent is gain upon CP into 100. So gain is 0.5 and the cost price is this one, 4.5, multiply by 100. When 0.5 is multiplied by 100, we get 50. Now to remove this decimal point, we have to multiply it again by 10. We get 500 upon 45. So 5 hundreds are 500 and 5 nines are 45. So it's 100 upon 9. It can be converted into mixed fraction. 9 11s are 99 plus 1. So the answer is 11 and 1 upon 9%. Thank you.